talk about acupuncture can be used to treat so many issues: eye problem, ED, infertility, knee pain, back pain, high stress, high anxiety, panic attack, allergies. What is the mechanism of the acupuncture? So there are different kind of theories. There are gate control theory, there is neurochemistry theory, there is musculoskeletal theory, and the main thing we concluded about acupuncture, how it can help improve the health is, first of all, acupuncture help improve the function of different organs: adrenal gland, thyroid gland, ovaries, different kind of endocrine organs. So you have balanced hormones. So you don't have estrogen dominance condition or low testosterone. You build stronger muscle, you increase your metabolism. Second, you can instantaneously bring down the stress level using acupuncture by balancing the nervous system, parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system. That way you can digest better, sleep better, reduce the stress hormone. Third, you can relax the muscle, restore the balance of the muscle around the joint. That way you can rely on your back joint, the vertebra, your knee joint. When the joint is in alignment, your muscle will not be strained easily. Your ligaments will not be tight on one side, and you avoid the problems of tear your ligaments or injure your muscle or create arthritis in the joint. So if you tried other methods and you still have health issues, you should try acupuncture to see how it works, and combining the herbs, you can save money and time, be healthier and happier in 2024.